In this video, I'm going to show you how I managed to get the door on my Austin A30 to close without slamming. It involved quite a lot of cutting, welding and machining and the use of a big hammer. But it closes really nicely now. Well, I'm not sure how well you're going to see this, but the door is actually hitting on something. It won't actually close. If I hold it like that, you watch, it springs out. So it's actually catching on something, isn't it? Right, very slight change of plan. Instead of doing what I said before, I'm going to take this whole piece out. So I'm going to cut down that line there, right way down there, along here, along there, and as close to the edge as I can get it. So now take that piece out. Yeah, so the big disc, I can also go down to there, but I can't get up to the edge. So what I'll do, I've kept all my old worn ones, and can use some of these small ones, and that goes right up to the line. If I can't go any closer than that, I can get as close as I can, but if I can't get that close, I'll put it on camera so you can see it. I'll use a little Dremel. Anyway, let's give it a go and see what. Oh, come in there. That's actually filler. Right, what I need to do now is just clean that up because I actually put some filler on it. So that's gone down quite nicely, that. See it or not? Oh, still right. I'm going to give this a bit of a clean up. I'm going to get rid of all the filler on it. I made that in 2 bits. Right? So the metal's really good. So I might be able to just slice a bit off of here and fit it in. But I think best thing to do now is actually clean it all up. So I should put a sanding disc or something on it, and I should sand all this off. Well, I've buffed it up, it sort of fits. It's not fantastic, but it'll do. I marked it up, so I just need to cut that down, offer it up, make sure it's okay, I'm happy with it, and put a few tacks on it. But what? Right, I put it in very roughly. I think where it's actually touching was about here somewhere, so it's gone down quite a bit. I'm tempted just to take a little bit off there. Like you see, just a bit more, so it goes flush with that. So I think I'll do that, and then I can mess about. Well, that's pretty much as good as you're going to get. Oh, that's hot. A thin bit, little tiny bit of filler over there, some of that fiberglass. That'll blend it in nicely. Don't want to get too carried away, but it's definitely gone down a hell of a long way. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put a bit of primer on it, stop it getting rusty. Then I'll hang the door. Hopefully, it'll be okay. Well, we'll see. Well, after all that work, let's see if it actually closes. Perfect. Bit of a slam. Go again. That's it. There's no sort of, like there's no sort of resistance or anything there. Job well done. I think I'll give myself a pat on the back.